All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
Welcome back, guys. What's up? Today I'm here with West Kiss Hair. This box feels so loaded to the point where it's here, but I'm pretty sure this happened while it was being shipped. But yeah, this is a box. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So first I'm seeing the wig, which we're gonna get into in a few. Then I got these pair of lashes right here. I got a nice cute bonnet. Okay. Oh, can wear it on any side you wish. Alright, I got this like headband, velvety. I have one of these already, you know. Yeah, this is pretty convenient. You can put this around your edges, you know. Yeah. Got a wig cap. Oh, and I got a drawstring bag, good for storage. So that's everything that came in the box today. Today's wig, we're working with inches, guys. Look at that. That's a nice full body wave wig. This wig that we're working with today, it's 30 inches long. Look at that luster. Yeah, nice traditional body wave wig. It's also a HD lace that we're working with. Listen, if you want to slay, be snatched, and like have the best and most natural lace wig look ever, you need to get you a good HD lace wig, or a good Swiss lace wig, or transparent lace wig, because those laces are just always winning. Okay, so yeah, I got a medium cap size as well, and this is 250% in density, so just know that this does have a little bit of weight to it. Look, you see where this reached me? I'm 5'1", guys, please remember I am 5'1", so this reached me all the way down to like my hips. That's how that looks. It is a free part. Ooh, yeah, yo, this, I love this. It's a 13x6 parting, and it has 3 combs on the inside, adjustable straps in the back. I love this. Love this. Gosh, this is so soft. Like really, really soft. Shedding. I got like a piece of a strand. Okay, today I want to do like 2 braids in the front kind of vibe.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone, or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone, or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to fighting for what all those rumors do. Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even know half the things you said.
guys, so I went ahead and I did the soups. I just had to. I had to. So I just did the 2 soups. Now I'm gonna take my wax stick, you know, the usual, and you know, get everything nice and sleek to the back.
All I need is 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Let me give it a one last shot. Will I ever get through to you? Oh, am I wasting my time? Should I leave for the night? It's unclear at the moment. Can you give me a sign? I'm here trying and trying. I need 10 more minutes with you. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope by now. So let me know if you give up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you give up hope. I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you.
I'm gonna get some help from my mother to do the 2 braids, cause yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today.
I need 10 more minutes, 10 more minutes with you. Yeah, I just wanna go back home. Can't do this anymore. I can't get through to you. So what the fuck am I fighting for? Were all those rumors true? Or were you trying to get a rise out of me? A rise out of me? Or I don't wanna make it all about me again. But I don't even.
Oh my gosh, I am all done. I did the 2 little braids. Look at that goodness. Okay, yes. It looks so good, so luscious. I didn't go over it and add any curls or anything. This is how it came. It's really beautiful. And as I said, I just wanted to do this like half styled vibe. So I did the 2 braids in the front and everything. West Kiss hair, you did it. It is so soft and luscious. The only shedding I got was really because I did go ahead and cut off from the ear portion, but it looks really, really good. I love it. The movement, everything is really, really nice. You can imagine if you did like a, you know, center part vibe and did like some juicy crimps with this. That's what these waves are kind of giving me, kinda, you know. Yeah, it's really nice. I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box so you guys can feel free to go ahead and check it out, because it's a vibe. It's a vibe. Fall is coming and I feel like these lengths are very comforting, you know, because it gets colder, you know. So yeah, I definitely give this wig a 10 because I'm always here for the inches. Yeah, so I'm going to be sure to drop the specifications of the wig as well in the description box so you guys can go ahead and check that out. And that's it. That's pretty much it for today. So I hope you guys like this look. I'm loving this look. The 2 braids is just everything. Every day, you know, and all the time I want to drop down into the face kind of vibe or ketchup. You know, this is really nice, and you know, a whole pull back thing. Yeah, so yeah, that's it for now. Thank you guys for watching. If you like the wig look, go ahead and give it a thumb up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just subscribe, like this video, share this video, go over to my vlog channel, subscribe to that channel, because you know I'm on the road to 100K over there. a giveaway is going on for that, so check that out. And yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and big up on yourself. Bye.
So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope by now. So let me know if you gave up hope. Do I leave you alone or I leave you alone? So let me know if you gave up hope. I need 10 more minutes with